Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a candy stripe bracelet. So for this bracelet, you're going to need at least 4 colors. I chose 7 because it'll make the bracelet wider because I don't like how it looks if it's like super thin. Then you're going to need some scissors to cut your bracelet and then some tape to tape it down to a surface. So first you are going to cut your 4 strings or however many strings you have to make them from your fingertip to the middle of your chest. Okay, so once you have your string cut out, you are going to make a knot at the top and make it look like that. It'll be about an inch, well mine will, I don't know, however you like yours. And then you are going to tape your bracelet to a surface. Okay, so once you have your bracelet taped up to the surface, you are going to separate your strings. I like to separate mine, however they already are separated, but that's just me. So yeah, you're going to go ahead and separate them. Okay, so I have my string separated. So first you're going to take your most left string, which for me is this like teal color, and then you're going to make a 4 over the next color, the color to the right, which is green for me. Then you're going to take the tail and put it under the green. Then you are going to pull both of them. Well, I would just hold on to the green, well, whatever color you made the 4 on. And then you are going to do the same thing, because that was only half knot. So you're going to make a 4, and then put the tail under the color you are making the 4 on, and pull it, and make sure you're holding on to the color that you made the 4 on. So that is a full 4 knot, so we are going to put that green to the side. And then we are going to take our next color, which for me is, actually, it's going to be pink. And so you are going to make a 4 over your pink. You're going to just do the same thing you did with the green, and put the tail under the pink, and make sure you're holding on to the color, and pull up with the color you made the 4 with. You're going to make a 4 and do the same thing, and so you're going to do the same thing all the way to the other side. So yeah. Okay, so once you have made your line, it might not look like a line, like mine looks just like a little plump, but yeah, you are just going to do the same thing you did with the first color, with the second color, which for me is my green. So I'm going to make 4s all the way across again. You are also going to make a knot over the first color that you made with 4s. I forgot to say that. So now you are just going to do the same thing with the rest of your strings over and over until you have your desired length, about like all the way around your wrist. So yeah. So when you are finished with your bracelet, which I'm not, I'm just doing the ending for the purpose of this video, you are going to untape your thing, I'm not going to, and then you're just going to group all your strings together, and then make a knot, or just like however you make a knot, there's not a certain way, but yeah. So you're just going to make your knot, pull it all the way up to where your last line was, and then you're going to cut your last strings to like about an inch or whatever length your first one was. So for me, mine would be right there. So yeah, and then so that's how you make the candy stripe bracelet. Thank you for watching, and bye.